customizability of the system made it the perfect solution for us. I am Stibo Curtis. I am the Senior Manager of Data Governance and Merchandising at Direct Supply. Direct Supply is a virtual distributor. We sell mainly to long-term care, nursing homes, assisted living, senior living type of environments. And we sell everything from the front door to the back door of that building. So anything including wheelchairs, beds, all the way to the floor coverings and the tables and dining services. We wanted to improve the time it took, reduce that time it took to actually put products into our system. We needed to be able to adjust the attributes and the information that we were putting on our e-commerce system, and we really needed our sales team to trust the data. They ask questions about every product. If it's not in there, they're not going to trust that, and they're going to create more work downstream. So we really went in focused on those three big initiatives. We've had a really great result specifically to our reduction in the amount of time it took to onboard a product. So we would typically send an Excel spreadsheet back and forth with our suppliers asking for additional pieces of data. And that was about a 2-week time frame. We are down now to, we can categorize a product and have it available in our system in 1 day. And now our e-commerce system and that presence that we've created is so much more customer-centric. They can actually make choices within their variants. They can find more product information and solve for their own questions that they have on our website. So it's been a great way for us to help them self-serve. This has been a really eye-opening experience for me. In our company, we used our tech team to do our implementation with the assistance of Stibo Systems and their tech team. And that combination of conversation really helped us to understand what it is that we were missing in our data originally. By doing that, it gave us an open world to conversation with our tech team to continue to build on how we were going to enhance that data and enrich our abilities with our data. Working with Stibo Systems is fantastic in the way that it's so customizable. Step can do absolutely anything for anybody. What we ran into a couple of times is, what's that best practice? And we weren't necessarily able to get to that every time without us really getting clear on what we needed. What was our end goal? But they were able each time to help us come up with multiple ways, and then what's the right workflow for us? And in the end, it was a great partnership.